I think the key findings of the white paper is that most Asian cities are not really using cloud computing today. And I think it's recognizing the value in cloud computing and the enormous possibilities that city leaders have to be able to draw value from technology will allow them to tackle so many of the city's problems, engage citizens in helping fixing some of these problems, and to be able to drive far many more efficiencies in delivering services to citizens. There are two main misconceptions around cloud computing is around security and privacy on one hand, and it's about upfront cost on the other hand. To address the first one, security is something that we work very hard at and have set and meet with the most security standards on a worldwide basis. The second piece is around privacy, and that's a subject that is very, very important to Microsoft and something that we value very, very much so. And we've taken extreme measures to be able to protect individuals' privacy. That's part of our business model. On the upfront cost of cloud computing, I think there's a misconception that the whole idea of being able to deliver a service through the cloud requires an upfront cost when in fact it's the contrary. You pay as you go. You develop the specific application or this particular service and you have it live in the cloud, and if it's being used you pay as you go, and that's a much, much lower cost than having to build an entire data center with everything that is associated with delivering that service through a data center. So in terms of advice to city leaders would be first of all to transform their existing critical infrastructure, make sure that it's secure, make sure that it delivers on all the criteria that you would imagine from an IT perspective. Second thing I would advise is to engage your citizen. There's tons of ways in which you can engage your citizen in the community conversation. To give you an example, AvePoint delivers a cloud-based solution called town hall meetings, and you could literally run a virtual town hall meeting that reaches far many more citizens to engage them in the conversation and to participate eventually to get a mayor re-elected. And the third aspect is I think everybody understands that the usefulness of cloud is overwhelming. We're all going to end up there. So I would encourage people to start and to accelerate the motion of doing it. The quicker you're able to deliver these services, the more value you're going to give to citizens and the more cost you're going to take out of the equation.